That ball's regulation size. Bryce's hands are actually just that big.
You know what they say about big hands?
Big gloves?
Big gloves. Sure. I was going to try to make a different joke that was very unique and original, but I'm not original.
You can hold a lot of grocery bags.
Oh, that's true. I've got long arms. Oh my gosh. I can load them all up on this arm. I'm not even joking. Like,
that's a dad move.
Yeah, it's, well, I'll be a great father one day.
Ladies, he's single. I guess there's no ladies out there that want him. That's okay. Let's move on to how did we trade today, Bryce?
Me and Matt traded. Well, there are a couple words for it, but I'd say the most commonly used one would be dog shit.
I think that's 2 words.
Oh, not if you put them together.
It depends how you write it. We did not trade well. I just like basically right off the bat, like first 15 minutes, I was like, today's just not a day. It's just not a good day. First let's talk about I'm pretty sure this is our first 5-figure red day.
Realized we had the MDGS loss together, but we both like recovered. We ended green. Yeah. I think we actually ended green that day.
No, we were green. We had some other trades. We've had some that was the biggest loss, period. Yeah, like today we were realized, I'm red about 32.
I'm red 7.
So
5-figure in losses, baby. We accomplished
we don't win every day.
Like
part of like go total up all our profits. There's a lot of green in there. We've been on a pretty good streak. You know, all things considered, $10,000 out of all those profits is small. You got to keep it in perspective too.
It sounds bad.
If that's blowing your mind right now and you're excuse me, sorry, man. The loss is getting to me. If you're trading with a small account, take a couple zeros off that number. Call it $10 loss, like if you need to, like just to put it in some perspective. Just the ratio is what matters. So
it's all by scale. It's all to scale.
Yeah, if someone wants to go through and total them and leave a comment, that'd be super awesome. We'd appreciate that, and just let us know our small cap recap total.
I bet. Well, when did we start this? July.
I feel like it was almost June.
It might have been beginning of June. I mean, you made what? By the way, congratulations! Matt had a 6-figure month last month.
Not including my Pudgy Penguin.
Not even including the Pudgy Penguin. Wild.
I made almost 60,000 on 2 penguins.
Yeah, that's insane.
They're JPEGs.
My JPEG, I made a JPEG. Got an offer. I just found out today. Got an offer. I could sell it for like $70, but I have to pay $200 to sell it. It is the dumbest thing. But Matt brought up a good point. I can say I sold an NFT.
You made and sold one. It'd be
and
a great
made
story.
and sold one, yeah. And you get like 5% of the profits, right? I mean, if that has
on any future sales.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
you could make your money back.
I could. I think I'm gonna have to do this. I was almost not gonna do it.
We'll follow up tomorrow. It's Friday, so the Bryce NFT adventures continue.
Well, I'm just gonna say, to answer your question earlier, I bet you, and leave this in the comments, we're probably up almost 600K together, because I locked in 200K in July.
That's super impressive.
70K.
Over $500,000 in small cap recap profits.
I think we are. I did 200 in July, 80 in August, and you did 120-ish in August. So that's already right there. That's 400.
I bet you were close.
We got, and then wow. Okay, maybe 500, maybe $500,000.
Let us know.
That would be crazy. All right, let's get into the charts.
Let us know. Let's get into the charts. So, I mean, basically right off the bat, TLSS, I was swinging. I had the news of uplisting, and as if any of you guys trade OTCs, you know, if it doesn't gap up, you need to get out.
If it doesn't gap up, it gaps down.
Yeah. So this is like actually a former runner. It's gone on some crazy former runs. None of them, to be clear, are super, super clean. Like even this one, like they run, but not great. Like this one didn't gap and actually ran. This was a nice day, but all things considered,
what an ugly wick.
This wick, yeah, that should have been a red flag for me too. But I thought the news catalyst was enough for it to get running.
Well, especially with FCUV.
Well, that plus it was an OTC pink, and you can't trade these in like a month, and they got uplisted to OTCQB.
So not uplisted to NASDAQ.
I thought that was a big deal. It turns out it wasn't. No one really cared about it but me, apparently. So it didn't gap up. I sold for a loss, so I started the day red. I then took a small trade on RGC. It's not even worth talking about because it sucked. It just was 2 losses in a row. And then I scanned, and I was like, the market sucks. I'm just stopping.
Was that wick real at the end of yesterday?
That wasn't real. Click the abort mission button, got out of there. And that was my day. So that's how I lost 3,200. If you want, and to be honest, I lost 3,200 in basically 15 minutes.
Yeah,
So that sucks. But that was my day. Bryce really put the team on his back here for the red day.
Did.
So what happened to you?
So I lost about 6K on ELYS this morning and then another $1,000 throughout the day. Just chopped around. Didn't actually trade a whole lot. Basically the same as Matt. I mean, I wasn't done in 2 hours, but I really didn't take a whole lot more trades after this. So ELYS, I mean, this is like my favorite setup on the daily chart.
We can pull up the daily.
Yeah, this is the 3rd day surge. And it was extremely clean. If you actually go to like a multi-day, go to like a 5-day, 15-minute.
You got it, boss.
I mean, the range was perfect.
I mean, going into today, it looked gorgeous.
Yeah, it looked absolutely gorgeous. And I was like, you know what? This is a size-upable trade. The market was really pretty decent the rest of the week up until today.
Until today. It was really just not a good one.
I had 30,000 shares from a 605, 606 average.
Solid average.
I started in on the dip and rip side of it. I was actually up like 4, because I think I started in with 15 from like 601. So I was up, whatever that is, 3,500, maybe $4,000. But again, this is a pattern that I'm going to try to play for at least a test of, it would have been like 675. Added again on this trend break right here at 610. And it failed. I was telling myself I was going to hold till respected risk, unfortunately. So do you want to draw a trend line real quick? Down, for like the uptrend that it was following, not the downtrend, not there.
Oh, this one.
So as soon as that cracked, I broke it basically because I got filled mainly in like the 590s, like 595. There wasn't a lot of bid support. I got, there weren't a lot of bids in the $6 area, so I got filled a lot of it down there. Just part of the game. It's something I accept with taking bigger size. And I put out a tweet today, if you guys didn't see, it was like, stop focusing on the P&L side of it. And that wasn't me like saying size down, it's size up. And one of the biggest issues I've been having, and this will be a good lesson, is that like, whenever I do size up, I go for these monster gains. Like I'm a scalpier trader. So I was looking to sell most into the 670 push, just didn't get it. I followed my plan, cut when the trend broke, and unfortunately it just didn't work. And that's a loss I'll take every day because the winners of that will statistically have made up far over the losers. So it sucks to be red 7K, but I think I'm basically break even in the week now. So
yeah, you do the math though. Like you lost 6K, again, big number. But if it would have worked, it would have been roughly 18.
15 to 20K.
That's what I'm saying. So still your 3-to-1 risk reward.
Yeah, 100%.
What you're looking for.
Yep, exactly. And that's the way that you have to look at it that way. If you're going to size up, you got it. It's hard. I know everyone says it, but like you can't care you have to care about the money, but don't focus on it. Focus on the trade and make sure you can afford the loss. Mm-hmm. Those are really your two keys. And you know what? It is what it is. There'll be another one that works. And for now,
what it is. We're going up with our heads held high. We lost 5 figures today.
And it happens.
It happens if you're a trader. You got to accept the losses.
Yep. Just let's stay disciplined until the market heats up, guys. Right now, today sucked. Like really bad. There was one runner, BCTX.
I didn't even see it.
It was a listed or an NYSC. It ran from like 10 to 14 in like 3 minutes. It was wild, but nothing too crazy. So hold your head up until the market heats up. Head up, market up.
You need like a poster behind your trading desk of that.
I like it.
Bryce Toohey, Wayne Gretzky, Michael G. Scott.
Send your fan mail in.
Thank you for watching, everybody. It's great to have Bryce back in the studio. He's just a world traveler, I guess, and is leaving me behind after all these days.
Whoa, you were gone in Italy for 2 weeks. You were a world traveler, too, at one point in your day.
It's sad to see him grow up and watch them sprout their wings. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching the entire video. We got plenty more of these coming. And, yeah.
What do you think about the current market? What do you think about today specifically? How'd you do?
Right. Leave a comment. X dollars, small cap recap is up. Or your best guess. And then what do you think of the market now? And yeah.
We'll see you guys. Oh, tomorrow's Friday. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Cheers, everybody.
We hope you guys enjoyed that last video. Thanks so much for watching and being a part of the StocksTrade community. We wouldn't be here without you guys. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Our goal is to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but we can't do it without your help. So if you enjoy what we're putting out and want to hear more, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.